Now, what I went ahead and did was I created these images using just AI, and I know it looks incredible, right? But what we can go ahead and do is go to Google best flight luggage. As you can see, we have all of these different kind of luggages, all these different kind of brands. But for this example, click this link right here and look at all of these beautiful luggage bags right here, some for the kids, some for the adults. And we can go ahead and we can press the kids one, right? Why not? They got all these different kind of kids luggage, whatever the case may be. But again, we're just affiliates. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and recommend. So I know this luggage right here is very, very popular with the children. So we can go ahead and we can link this luggage right here. So we'll go ahead and copy this image, and I'll go ahead and get a picture of this image right here. I'll go ahead and I will save this image. Okay, I'm sure they won't mind because we're sending them customers anyway. And as I'm back here on my luggage page, I can go ahead and let's just say I just want to change this middle one. Great. So I went ahead and I uploaded that kids luggage, and as you can see, it looks fantastic. So what we want to do here is we want to go ahead and we want to put a link on the image, okay? Because the last thing we want people to do is click the image and it doesn't take them anywhere, right? Some people just want to click the button, but there's other people that want to click the image. So we want to put the link inside of the image. And the same thing we want to do is put the link inside of the button as well. Now, mind you, we can do that to every single one of these images for luggage. So we'll go ahead and we'll add another one. Now, here's what's the cool part is, right? Right now, this luggage place is actually having a Black Friday deal going on right now. So this would be like a perfect time for any type of product that you're trying to receive affiliate commissions for, because holidays happen right throughout the entire year. So this would be, you know, one of the best times to go ahead and do this. Now, as you can see right here, we have different kind of luggages right here, and we'll just choose something that seems somewhat of appealing or something that might look like a deal to us. And if it looks like a deal to us, then it might look like a deal to other people, right? So we'll go ahead and we'll add this 3-piece set right here. And again, we'll go ahead and we'll copy this link. Let's just say this was our affiliate link. Mind you, this is just an example. You want to get an affiliate link, and we'll go ahead and we'll get this image right here. Great, and we went ahead and we posted that image right here on our luggage site. Now, once again, we want to put the links inside of the picture. Look how simple this is, guys. Are you guys telling me that you can't just create a page like this for travel, send your visitors to the page that actually have the product so you can receive some sort of affiliate commission? Like, I mean, it's so simple. It's ridiculously easy, right? The only part, right, is having the page to do it. Now, if you guys are looking for this very same page in order to turn any one of these box images into any sort of affiliate product, go ahead and click the link down in the description. It's called SWAPFUNNELS, right? And you guys can go ahead and change this page into anything that you want to receive any sort of commissions that you want to, okay? So now, as you can see, this right here was created with AI, and I know what you're thinking, wow, that looks crazy for AI, but AI did create these. If you want to see how that's done, I will leave a link inside the description for you guys so you guys can see exactly how I created that. But right here, as you can see, I put the luggage right here, and I have some luggage right here, and these all came from a site, right, that we can go ahead and get some affiliate commissions for. And the same thing with the excursions right here. If you guys want to see how I created that, again, link is inside the description, right? And so from here on, all we would have to do is fill out this entire page full of different products or places that we can become an affiliate for to go ahead and receive some sort of affiliate commission. So I have the destination. It looks absolutely beautiful. I have the baggage right here so they can go ahead and I can get affiliate commissions from them buying bags, but I don't have the airplane or the flight. Let's go ahead and get some affiliate commissions doing this. Now, this is very important. So I'm gonna go over here to the image, and what I'm going to do here is I'm gonna go use AI. So I went ahead and told AI to create me 4 different flight planes, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this one right here. And great, that looks absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna call it Skylux Airlines, just like that. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my logo right here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna delete that section. I'm gonna go to AI. Great, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna change this to a title. That's done just like that. We're gonna bold that. Look how sick that came out, bro. That's so dope. Beautiful, look how that came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna choose that. Now, since it gave us so much, I can go ahead and I can delete these. I can go ahead and I can just copy these, and that's done. Mind you, all of this is done with just using AI on this very same page. Look how fast I'm able to get this affiliate page done. So now what we can do is go ahead to this image and we can create an image, right? And there she is. And so our step 1, right, in which we can change this to whatever we want to change this to. Now I went ahead and I put click here to get the lowest price travel, safest flight travel, or fastest time travel, right? These are all just examples, right? So I can show you guys, just to give you guys some ideas inside your head to get your mind spinning, right? So the next thing I went ahead and did was I went on Google and I typed in safest airplane flights, right? And so the idea behind this is I want to be able to go and get some airplanes that I can recommend and put on my affiliate site. So from here, I'm on, you know, for an example right now, this website here, and all I would have to do is I would put in the from destination and the to destination. And then once I have that, I can go ahead and link that to my affiliate page. So for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and put in from New York to Las Vegas, and I'm gonna press find flights. Now, once I put that in, it took me to this page right here. And here's what I can do. If I'm an affiliate, I can go ahead, take the link from this page, and I can, for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab this very top link. If I was affiliate, I'll be getting my affiliate link, but I'm gonna take this very top link right here, and I'm gonna go over to our website, and I'm going to paste our link inside of this button right here. So I'm gonna go right here to link, and I'm going to paste that link in there just like that. So when people go get the lowest price for travel to our destination, they click that link, go straight to that airplane page, and then boom, if they buy that, you know, visitor buy, I get a commission. Okay, same thing, I would do the same thing, the safest flight, and the same thing to fastest time travel. Now, just because we're on this page right here and we see the flights, remember guys, we are affiliates, so this is not our only option. We can go ahead and we can find different kind of planes and different kind of travel that would best fit for our visitor or our person of interest looking to travel at this place, right? So what our job is as entrepreneurs is to go ahead out there and solve that problem for them. We want to make it very simple for the customer to come on our website just like this. We want them to press a button. We want them to go ahead and press the lowest price and be there. We want them to press the safest flight and be there. We want them to press the fastest time and be there, right? People have a problem with going to websites, right, and getting confused with all these different numbers and all these different stats, whatever. People just want to go ahead and buy, right? They just want to make things easy, and that's our job, is to go ahead and do that. Now, I know the next thing you guys are going to say is, well, Trev, well, how do I get people to the website? Or Pinterest might shut me down, or whoever might shut me down. Don't worry about that. We have plenty of ways of getting the word out there, and I'm going to show you guys 3 ways right now that you can do. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is you can go on Instagram. As you can see right here, I'm on Instagram. I have a picture right here that I have uploaded using AI, this very same AI picture from my website, and I went ahead and I typed in hashtag travel, hashtag island. Guys, once you post this right there, people right there that's interested in traveling and interested in islands, they'll go ahead, they'll see your destination, and guess what, when they see your destination, they'll go to your profile, and then guess what, when they on your profile, they'll go ahead and click your link. Okay, so boom, we got Instagram out the way. Next thing is right here, we on TikTok. Now, as you guys can see, we can go ahead, we can upload our image, and I went ahead and I just typed in a hashtag traveling, hashtag traveling with kids, traveling with babies. If people are interested in traveling, they might be interested in finding flights or traveling to the place that you may have in mind, right? You want them to come to your website, and this is how you do it. Hashtag what you offer. Okay, boom, now we got TikTok out of the way. Now here we go, we on Pinterest. Same thing here, guys. I went ahead and I uploaded an image right here. I put in hashtag traveling. I forgot that the description is actually what it was, but guess what, that's what the tags right here down here is for. I went hashtag travel photography, right? Hashtag island holiday, hashtag getaway weekends. Guys, come on, we got to be creative here. Okay, this is exactly what you got to do. Now here's the thing, all you got to do is take your affiliate product, your affiliate creation, and post it on every single platform, right? And I'm telling you, you're going to get people to your website. Okay, if you take your post and you post it on different platforms, or maybe you might want to post it on all platforms, I'm telling you right now, there's no way a single visitor won't be able to come to your website. Okay, if you pull everything and put everything in the right place and do everything right, I'm telling you right now, you guys are going to get people to your website, and you just may get a commission. Just to give you guys an idea of how to create a full affiliate page for anybody that travels, you can do this. Okay, it's not that hard. I showed you guys the steps. Now go out there, go get it on your own. If you guys want to see how I did everything that I did step by step on my website to create this luggage website right here, or to create this excursion right here. Click the link inside of the description and I will show you guys exactly how I was able to create these separate website pages to complete the whole package. So when the visitor comes, they can go ahead and get their flight, they can go ahead and get their baggage, and they can go ahead and get their excursions all in one place, and you guys receive the commission, all on top of each other. And guys, we're not talking about Amazon commission here, we're talking about flight commission, okay? We're talking about big money commissions here. All right guys, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Thank you.